What's in the box? What's in the box? What's in the box? What's in the box? Right?
And now a review of Qidi X-Smart3 printer with Mitchell. Qidi X-Smart3 printer. Don't let the elegant curves, clean white exterior, and tight design distract you.
Well, hello, beautiful.
This printer is built for speed. Yeah, it's also as loud as a rusty helicopter taking off, but it's not really optimized for a normal noise level. With print speeds of 500 millimeters a second and 2000 millimeters a second squared, you might double think about running this printer all day. This printer achieves quick print speeds by utilizing a Core XY motion, lightweight carbon fiber rods with a 10 millimeter diameter, and a lightweight direct drive extruder. The Z-axis is pretty standard though, only 8 millimeter steel rods and some lead screws. The bed is small, of 185 millimeters by 185 millimeters, and this exhaust fan that they put on here is loud, like Karen level loud.
I want to speak to your manager!
For all of the speed advantages the X-Smart3 has in its design, it's not a printer without its flaws, but the question remains, does it deliver on its promise of lightning fast, high quality prints? So what's in the box? One completely built printer, no assembly required, the manual, 250 grams of PLA filament, various tools like some wrenches, the filament spool holder, which I guess is the only part you have to attach to the back of the printer, the power cord, and some Chinese glue. They also include some spare parts like a nozzle, fuse, and screws, which is nice. For installation, simply turn on the machine. After you set the power supply to the proper voltage, you just turn it on, and then the screen just walks you through the steps you need to take. It's that easy. Now that the printer is ready to go, what kind of speeds are we talking about? What can we expect from this printer, and will the quality of our prints suffer? There is only one way to find out. It's time to print.
You are fast, Ricky Bobby. But I am faster.
I have to give the Qidi X-Smart3 an A. I'm impressed by the print speed, of course, that's obvious, but there's been no dip in quality of my parts. The printer's easy to use, it's easy to set up, it's no hassle to run a part. The value being offered at this price seems like it should be more expensive to get the features offered by this printer. But there was still one last test for this printer. Do you know what the most printed part is from the internet? The most downloaded 3D part on Thingiverse of all time right now? I'll give you a hint. It's a boat. It's a Benchy boat. The Benchy boat is a small print that currently holds the most makes of all time on Thingiverse. Then, due to the complexity of the shape of this Benchy boat, the Speedboat Challenge was born. The Benchy Speedboat Challenge is where you will try to print this out as quick as possible on your printer, resulting in an online sport where people are creating some crazy printers just to break the record and claim a spot on the online leaderboard. The rules state on the official Benchy Speedboat Race Challenge what's allowed, and this challenge has been accepted by many of the 3D printer fans. And it's all done for fun, and there's no prize at the end except the Benchy boat left behind. Apparently, this part is a benchmark. It is a test for your printers to see how well your printer can capture the details of this part. On the Benchy Speedrun Challenge, what are we doing? What is imprint manufacturing? Why are we getting in the game? Well, we're wanting to create a benchmark for our printers right out of the box to see how fast you can produce this boat. We want to see if you can tell how good a printer's going to be based on the print of a Benchy. Our rules are simple. We're not going to modify any of the printers. We're not going to go anything crazy. I want to see how well a printer can do this out of the box and what its time is going to be. So that way you can understand, like, oh, Creality's producing this and about, blah, blah, blah. Or the Quidi's producing this and about blah, blah, blah. So you can definitely tell, based on the quality of the Benchy boat, how long a printer's going to take to do it. And you can rank those printers then based on the times that it's going to take to produce it to see which is going to be the best printer. Because this is, apparently to the internet, the best part you can print to test your printer. This was our first Benchy we produced, and believe it or not, this was produced in 17 minutes. But what printer did this? That would be Qidi X-Smart3. Coming in at second place with a little bit of downgrade in quality in 29 minutes. That would be the Imprint E4. Now, Creality had a rough time. So Creality posting up at 70 minutes. Now, as you can see, old Imprint X is not able to post a time because she's under maintenance. Like Florida State, apparently one injury can leave you out of the playoffs, so Imprint X sitting out this year, but we're going to get a standard for how quick she can produce a Benchy once she gets back up and running. Thank you all for watching this video. Check out our links, which are listed in the description of this video below. If you like what we do here, please leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Turn notifications on so you don't miss a thing. I hope your Benchy prints turn out awesome, and I'll see you all in the next episode.
Boy, you love with the